A modern truck is about getting the tough done smart. So sit back as we dig into the details and show you why this Ranger isn't just your average truck. What we're looking at here is the latest Ford Ranger XLT in Blue Lightning with biturbo engine and smooth shifting 10-speed automatic. This engine and transmission combination means there's plenty of power and grunt. In fact, there's 500 Newton meters of torque from 1750 RPM. And that means whether you're on or off-road, this biturbo engine is smoother, quieter, and more comfortable. The engineers have mounted the air intake nice and high in the engine bay to give the Ford Ranger a class-leading 800mm wading depth. So the Ranger XLT has definitely got the goods under the bonnet, but what about the looks? Well, as you can see, it's got that signature built Ford tough look, bold and solid. You get an alloy sports bar and bed liner as standard, off-road friendly 17-inch alloy wheels and LED daytime running lights. When it comes to capability, the Ranger has tough built into its DNA. Shift on the fly 4x4, low range gearing and an electronic rear diff lock to help you out when the going gets gnarly. Pair that with dynamic stability control as well as hill descent control that works forwards and backwards, and Ranger XLT is an impressive piece of kit for your next off-road adventure. Having the strength and grunt to tow a big trailer is one thing, but what you need most is control. Whether it's a light or heavy load, the Ranger can tweak its transmission to suit, and that means you're always in the right gear at exactly the right time. Then there's trailer sway control. This detects any unwanted trailer movement and brakes individual wheels to minimise that dreaded snaking movement. It's clever stuff. If you've driven a truck before, you'll know how heavy these tailgates can be. Not this one. The Ranger's tailgate features a torsion bar that takes out almost all of the weight when you're lowering or raising it. In fact, it's so light, you can raise it with one finger. The tray comes with a bed liner, 12-volt power outlet and tie-down hooks as standard. There's also an inbuilt light, which is handy for when you're loading or unloading at night. Here in the back seat of the Ranger, there's plenty of room for adults, and fitting a child seat is an absolute cinch. There's good storage, door bins with bottle holders, a centre armrest, but my personal favourite are the hidden compartments beneath the back seat. Safety is where the Ranger gets really smart. Key tech here includes pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, commonly known as AEB. The system can actually recognise someone stepping out in front of the truck. And if you don't react in time, it's designed to automatically apply the brakes to prevent or reduce the effects of a collision. And for those long drives, nothing beats Ranger's adaptive cruise control, which also has a speed limiter. As you've probably guessed, the speed limiter stops you drifting over the speed limit, while the optional adaptive cruise will manage your speed to maintain a preset gap to the car in front of you. Ranger really ramps up the tech with lane keep assist and active park assist. Lane keep assist will constantly monitor lane markings and can even help steer you back into your lane to prevent you wandering. The optional active park assist will help you find a Ranger-sized parking spot and then steer you into the spot to help you park like a boss. All you have to do is accelerate and brake while it steers itself into the parking bay. But the smarts aren't just for safety. Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system connects your smartphone right into the truck. You get native sat-nav and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity. Even the windscreen and front windows are smart. There's a layer of acoustic sound dampener built into them to reduce road and wind noise while you're driving. Right out of the box, the Ranger XLT is packed full of smart tech and tough capability, and that's before you delve into the accessories catalogue to tailor-make the Ranger to suit your needs. Be it for work or play, this is the truck for getting the tough done smart. Ford Ranger XLT, it's not just another truck.